Hey, what's going on? Today I want to talk about what is the easiest way to start affiliate marketing in 2020. Does it still work? It's the easiest way to do this affiliate marketing business. And I'm a big fan of inverting problems, okay? So instead of thinking about what's the easiest way to do affiliate marketing, you try inverting the question. So what is the hardest way to start affiliate marketing? Let's just brainstorm some ideas, a few ideas to think about, okay? Uh, it could be this. How about this? It could be learning everything about affiliate marketing and never taking action, right? That could be kind of difficult. To me, this is all work, no results. So that could be a hard way to do affiliate marketing. Instead of trying to learn everything about it, which is very hard to do because there's so much to learn, it could be just focusing on one thing, learning that, and then taking action on what you learn. So that way you see the results, right? So that could be an easier way to do affiliate marketing, right? Another hard way to do affiliate marketing is when you make no money per sale. Okay, this is one of my problems when I got started. I was like, oh, I love these products, but there's no money in it, and it makes it hard, right? So here's an example. Maybe you sell a product in affiliate marketing and you make $1 per sale, for example, right? That would be a little difficult because you have to sell a lot of products. You have to sell a ton. Okay, it could be challenging. So here's my question to you. Which is easier, selling one product and making $5,000 or selling 5,000 products and making $1 per sale on each one of those? Yeah, I mean, I would rather just sell one product and be done than go do other things. Right? So it's something to think about, just some ideas I want to kind of throw your way how to make this business easier. It's called affiliate marketing, right? All right. So one of the hardest things about affiliate marketing that I had that I struggled with for a very long time was what to do when I capture somebody's email address. I'm like, all right, I got this email address. What the hell do I do with it? I mean, how do I turn that email address into money? Because that's where the magic happens. How do I promote offers to people on this email list? What do I send them? How do I get them to buy? What about all the follow-ups and upsells and downsells? There's a lot of work there, a lot of things to think about. I mean, what's the point of getting someone's email address if you don't make any money from it? So it's a waste of just, I don't want to do that. That's a hard way to do affiliate marketing. So one very easy way to solve this problem is to find someone who's very, very good at this, someone who's better than me, and then you just hire them. You outsource it. There you go, and you could do that. Okay. Uh, that way you don't have to figure out the email thing. You don't have to do the upsells, the copywriting, the downsells, worrying about getting people to open the emails and click on links and everything. You could just outsource that part, and that would make affiliate marketing more easy. Okay, it would be a little bit more easier, right? So it is an idea, and you can do that. So I just want to throw that your way that's an option for you. Okay. So apart from outsourcing all that, you could learn how to do this on your own and then build that yourself. And that's another option. If you learn how to do it the right way, it could definitely help you out in the long term of your business. Now, what do you think the hardest way to do it? And I did this, okay? I did this, I know for experience. Is trying to wing it and just kind of figure out your own, like, oh yeah, I'll just wing it. And you just, and that's the hardest way to do it, okay? By learning from someone who's better than you, you shorten that learning curve, right? That's how we do it. So that's an idea. All right. Let's bring up some more ideas. Oh, yes, let's talk about traffic, okay? Because everyone's fascinated by traffic. Me too, right? I'm always trying like, oh, how do I get traffic easier? So what's the hardest way to get traffic, you think, to your offers or to your opt-in page? What do you think is the hardest way? Well, again, not taking any action, constantly learning every little thing out there and never doing anything. That's going to be difficult because that, to me, that's work, learning and stuff. I could be doing other things. That's a lot of work, no results. That's a hard way to get a traffic. Uh, Another hard way would be creating content, getting no views. Boom. Who's been there, right? Yeah. So one way to solve this, there's a couple ideas to solve this on how to get more views on content, is to go after the right keywords. Supply, demand. A lot of people looking at or typing that keyword in. There's no competition. There's the magic. That's everything in economics, supply and demand. It's the same thing with keywords. So that's something to think about. Another way is to repurpose your content on multiple platforms. That way, say if one platform you don't get a lot of views, you could repurpose it on their platform and get a lot of views and leverage your work so you get more done with less effort. So that's another idea to solve this problem. Okay, here's an idea. Another hard way is not to put your opt-in page link on your content. Nobody's gonna, I guarantee you not get no traffic, right? If you never talk about it. I see this all the time. People are just like, yeah, I'll just go talk about this. And there you go. That guarantees you're not gonna get any traffic from that. So there's another idea. All right. Oh, one more thing, paid traffic, right? A hard way to get paid traffic is not to track anything, right? Then you don't know what's working and what's not working. You just shoot in the dark. That could be another hard way. So I hope a few of these examples gave you some ideas on how to make your affiliate marketing business easier, how to win, how to work less and make more money. So inverting problems to me is a great way to kind of think outside the box and brainstorm some ideas on well, finding solutions. And I think it's a great idea. So I want to throw it your way. All right. So in the comments below, write down what is your biggest challenge with affiliate marketing? What is it? Just the first thing that pops in your head. Just write down real quickly in the comments section. Okay. I would appreciate that. Please do that. All right, and lastly, if you want to discover the easiest way to promote offers, okay, and this is the easiest way that I found, okay, I really have, and just click that link below, or just check out my website at trustthelink.com. You can trust the link. Okay, so I hope this video or podcast might have been helpful to you in some small way. Uh, have a wonderful rest of your day. I do really wish you the best, and have well, take care and bye for now.